Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, then you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold in front of us right now. And as we all know that there's a craziness going on in the market due to Russia and Ukraine war. Because of the war, we saw heavy bullishness on the chart of gold yesterday when gold made a high of 1973.74. But after that, there was a sharp fall. Yes, gold we saw a sharp fall. Okay, and it made a low of 1878. Just imagine the volatility in the market. As we all know, whenever there's a war situation or any crisis in the world, we saw bullishness on gold because gold is considered as a safe investment option. But when European countries like UK, okay, and USA imposed sanctions on Russia, okay, we saw some recovery on the stock markets as well. Because of the war situation, there was a crash on stock markets globally. But when USA and UK, they imposed strict financial sanctions on Russia, we saw some recovery on the markets as well. If I take you to the Dow Jones here, you can see Dow Jones 92. Okay, it was plus by 92. If I take you to Hang Seng, you can see that in comparison to yesterday, we are only minus in Hang Seng by only 1.77. Few minutes ago, it was in positive side. Okay, if I take you to the Kospi, you can see Kospi. This is the index of Korea. Hang Seng belongs to Hong Kong. Kospi is positive. If I take you to Nikkei, the index of Japan, okay, you can see that Nikkei is also in positive. Okay, so which clearly signifies that markets around the world are trying to recover after the huge fall for the last couple of days. So as a result, we may see some recovery in the coming days as well. If you're thinking that as the war is still going on between Russia and Ukraine, okay, so market should be falling. No, that is not the case as of now. Okay, market have already digested the fact that yes, there is an invasion going on. Fall, okay, there's a fall in the market. Okay, market has already digested the fact, and right now we are seeing some kind of recovery in the market as well. Keep in mind, okay, the original trend of the market. Okay, this is very essential. Keep in mind the original trend of the market is always towards the upside. Whether there is any recession in the world, whether there is any pandemic, any crisis in the world, there will be some corrections, temporary corrections in the market by 10%, 12%, 15%. But again, market will be in the uptrend only because the population is always in rise. Population is rising, yeah, our consumption is rising, technology is developing. As a result, the original trend of the market will always be towards the upside. Okay, and as a result, okay, after the huge fall for the last couple of days, markets are trying to recover again because the original trend is always towards the upside. Okay, so let's talk about the chart of gold. So after the high of 1974, it made a low of 1879 and right now trading at 1912. Okay, so things are pretty crazy for gold right now. Okay, so to be honest, okay, this market is extremely volatile and very risky also. Personally, I will not at all trade in this market condition because if I take you to the 15 minutes chart also, you can see that we do not have a clear picture whether you trade on higher time frame or whether you trade on lower time frame for scalping purpose or day trading purpose. You do not have a clarity. So my dear friends, if the capital is from your hard-earned money, if the capital belongs to your pocket money or anything like that, okay, then please respect your hard-earned money and please do not trade for the day. This is not the market to trade right now. As a trader, okay, as a trader, you know when to trade, when not to trade, isn't it? Okay, so you should also know when to avoid the market also. Okay, this is the market you should just be avoiding, and you should just try to observe the market and learn for the future reference. This market is not for trading purpose at all. Okay, but still, if you're adamant enough, then I'll say that yeah, if markets by the end of the day, if you find market testing the level of 1878, okay, observe the market first. Okay, observe the market first and see how the market is reacting. If market bounces, well and good, take a buy. Okay, if market breaks it, then if you want, then you can take a sell as well. But again, I'll say, especially beginners, new traders, those who have low capital, this market is not for you. Trying to avoid the market for the day, because as a trader you must learn when not to trade as well. I come almost every day. I tell you, okay, where to trade, where to buy, where to sell. But today I'm requesting you to observe the market, okay, so that you do not lose your hard-earned money. Because see, every day I send messages, painful messages. Okay, so that's why it's my duty. It's my duty to tell you that this market is not good. Okay, so if possible, do not trade in this market. Okay, and only good level can be for scalping purpose. 1878 can be one level. Okay, if market reaches 1878 level, you just observe the market, and 1926 can be another level as well. This level, if you see market in 1926 level, observe the market. If market reverses, you can take a sell position on 1926 level. But whatever you do, please follow strict risk management and use proper stop loss. Okay, so otherwise things will be very critical for you. Okay, so bye bye, take care.